Beautiful trade today. I made 1,002. I'll show it somewhere on the screen over here. It was a gorgeous trade. Like, oh my God. Okay, so anyways, let's give a little recap to show exactly what was going through my mind and just everything that happened throughout the whole day. So first thing, I was honestly looking for longs in the early morning at open on New York because over here we had the sell side, and let me just pop up ES over here. We had the sell side over here, and at the same time, ES actually took the sells, and we had a little fair value gap that got played out right over here. So this was a beautiful SMT. The only thing I wasn't crazy about, and the reason why I didn't actually go ahead and pull the trigger on this trade, because we had everything. We had the manipulation leg, we had the inversion. Like, this is A plus plus. Only thing I didn't like is that NQ is my dominant pair. I always trade NQ. We never actually swept those lows. So I was kind of scared that, I wouldn't say scared. I was a little uncertain that there's a strong possibility, which is perfectly normal, that we come down and sweep these lows. So I took the chance and I didn't take the trade. But even better, the trade that I did take, we had this SMT getting played out on the 15 minute. So let's pop the 15 minute over here as well. We had a little baby SMT, like you can barely even see it, but baby SMT. And we had this fair value gap. Yes, this fair value gap actually goes down to here, but this is the only place I'm actually like targeting to look at. So let's hop down to the 1 minute. Second, I saw this 1 minute, I saw this manipulation leg right over here and the market structure shift and this inversion. Guys, this was a no-brainer. I targeted literally a 1-to-1. That's all what I wanted, was that 1-to-1. And bro, I caught it on my 2 Apex accounts and my Top Step account. So beautiful trade. I was thinking about actually moving my take profit right down to this wick over here. Could I have? Yes, 100%. That would have been perfectly normal. But I mean, what? That's like an extra like 60 bucks. So I didn't really care. I just wanted to secure those profits because, I mean, bro, honestly, today was kind of crazy. We had this crazy push down at open, very strong chop till 10 o'clock because we had PMI, a red folder. So everyone was waiting for that to happen. And then from there, we had that move. So this was honestly a very beautiful trade, and I couldn't be any happier with it. Very happy at my execution point. I mean, look at that. We literally had that rejection right away. So A++ setup. If you want to learn this setup and you want a one-on-one mentorship, I do have a free trial down below if you want to check it out. Completely free for the first 24 hours. And then if it's the right place for you, then you stay. And we jump on that one-on-one mentorship call, and I teach you everything like this model and my other model that I trade every single day on the market and answer any of your questions. So have a beautiful rest of your day, and I hope you enjoyed the recap.